Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing again today, bringing you this week's reading that is from 18th of October till the 24th of October. 18th of October, that is Monday, till the 24th of October, that is the Sunday. So, like always, please requesting you to go ahead and like my and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I am on Facebook as well as on Instagram, so please go ahead and like my page there too. So like always, let's go ahead and start with our cards. We'll be pulling 3 cards for each sign and starting with Aries, first sign. Okay, so for the people born under sign Aries, I do see a magic happening with you this week because I have got a magician card, a major arcana, a very good card for you this week. So whatever work you take in hand is going to be giving you positive results. So if I start from finance, of course there is a coming of finance, and where your career is concerned, there is a forward movement in your career coming. Maybe you will travel this week where your career is concerned. Also, health is going to remain superb this week. You will be in that joy, that happiness, that kind of mood. Also, because of your prosperity and your moving forward, so quickly, there are people who are not happy with it, or there are negative people who do not like this. You are surrounded by those kind of people. You have to be careful about those kind of people this week. There are chances also of robbery or some kind of things going out of your hand, kind of a thing. Or so just be very very careful about things. You might lose some things, or maybe you might carelessly keep some things where it will be kind of robbed by someone, or taken away by someone. So just be very careful about that thing. Where your finance is concerned, I do see a lot of you can say kind of maybe you will invest in, because there is finance coming to you, so there are chances that you will find a way, or you will be looking for a way where you can invest your money for the better future mentality. So that the week is going to be basically to handle your finance that is coming to you this week. A travel is also seen this week, something related to your career. So there might be career or finance, you can say. So this week is showing a little bit of travel for you, Aries people. But if I see your health, your finance, your career looks superb this week. Now we'll go ahead and do another sign, and that is Taurus. So I'll pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Taurus. Three cards for people born under the sign Taurus. People born under the sign of Taurus, you have to be a little careful, because this week shows a lot of emotions that will be coming to you. A lot of emotionals, where you will have to balance yourself where your emotions are concerned and your work is concerned. So where your career is concerned, try to keep your emotions away somewhere, because there is going to be up and down in your emotions, or something is going to affect your career or work. So just try not to remain a little happy, a little cheerful, and out of your that emotional setback that you are having this week. Relationship will have a little bit of kind of thing, like maybe up and down in your relationship, you can say. Not too bad a relationship, or not too good, a little bit of up and down, a little bit of argument here and there that might happen this week. So it's not a smooth week, because where your health is also concerned, I see a lot of problems coming in your leg. Maybe you might hurt a leg, you might fall down, you might have a fracture, or there must be a leg pain that will aggravate this week. So just take care of your health this week. But if you see on the other side of it, your energy level, your positiveness is going to be very good this week. So whatever comes your way, you are going to take it very positively and very strongly, you can say. There is also in this kind of situation, I see someone who is very very powerful, who is a very confident woman, who will come into your life, or maybe you can say who is around you, who will be a great support to you, a great help to you. So look out for that. So this week is little going to be an emotional setback kind of a thing for Taurian people, but just you being very positive and very strong, and getting help from a strong lady who is around you is going to help you to come out of any kind of emotions setback or any kind of negative thing coming to you this week. Now we'll go ahead and do Gemini. So I'm going to pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Gemini. People born under the sign of Gemini, the week is going to be a powerful week for you guys. There is some weight of you can say, if you have applied for a new job or maybe a new career, there I do see a little bit of weight. So this is not a week where you expect an answer, you can say, but definitely a week, very strong week, you can say, because you will be surrounded by people who are very positive and very strong this week. This will be a week where you will get a help from a lot of people who are positive. So you will see a forward guidance coming to you this week. Where your finance is concerned, I don't see a major you can say a card for finance. So finance is going to be the same. Relationship wise, yes, your relationship is growing, because I see a lot of people, positive people, male, female, women, man, you can say, whatever is going to come to you this week, as a support, as a guidance, or you can say is going to be with you for your further guidance, kind of a thing. So this week is going to be good that way for you guys, but everything looks normal. There is no health problems coming your way, there is no financial problems coming your way. If where your career, you might get you can say support, you might get guidance from people who are positive around you, and definitely this week is a week where you will be surrounded by positive and strong minded people. So that's for Gemini. Now we'll pull 3 cards for Cancer. People born under the sign Cancer, definitely I see a finance growth coming to you this week. There will be a growth in your finance. You'll be happy to see the finance, the outcome that, or maybe the money that you have been waiting for, you will see that money coming to you in this week. So there will be a finance growth, you can say, coming to you this week. You have to be very, very careful this week from negative people, because the negative people around you might affect your relationship somewhere. So just be very, very careful about the negative people around you, because there are chances that your relationship might suffer because of those people. So just protect yourself, take care of yourself, and try to understand the situation before making any major decision this week where your relationship are concerned. There are a lot of people around you who are going to judge you, who are going to come out to a solution without thinking, you can say, basically judging you, and that might cause some problems where your career is also concerned, because there are people at your work also right now who are in the situation, or you can say are there, who are waiting, watching, kind of a thing, to see or judge you wherever you go wrong sometimes. So this week is little you have to be careful, you can say, where your relationship and career is concerned. Financial growth is happening this week. Your health also, because of the negative people around you, might suffer a little. So stay protected, stay positive this week, and it shall pass. So that was for Cancer. Now we'll go ahead and do Leo. So I'm going to pull 3 cards for Leo. For the Leo people, you have to be very, very careful where people whom you don't trust, people whom you don't actually relate to, kind of thing, because those are the people. Or sometimes what happens with you is this week there are people who are very friendly to you, or maybe are showing a very close to you, very caring for you, but then sometimes these are the people who are the people who might backstab you somewhere. So just be very, very careful about people who sweet talk on the face and might be backstabbing you somewhere. Also, I do see, I have a fertility card, so the people or the women who are planning to conceive, or maybe who is waiting for good news, this is the week they might get the good news, or maybe they might conceive. It is a fertility card, so childbirth is expected this week. Also, you have to be, there is, where you think the finance is concerned, if I see for Leo people, there is finance coming to you, but it's a very slow coming. It is like something that is stopped on this way. It needs a push kind of a thing. So somewhere I can see the finance coming to you this week, but it is a steady finance. It is nothing that is growing to you. You're just seeing the finance that is there for you, and it is there kind of a thing. Also, very, very careful about your relationship. There are chances that your relationship might have some kind of issues, some kind of misunderstanding. So be very, very careful about little issues that are coming in your relationship, and solve it positively, because little things in your relationship might cause you a big problem this week. So just be very, very careful about those things. So your health looks okay, just a little bit of stress here and there will affect you. Otherwise, where your health is concerned, of course, I don't see any problems coming your way. So now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for Virgo. So let's pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Virgo. People born in the sign of Virgo, I see a week of a good relationship. If I see your relationship this week, you will be blessed for new relationship. Your relationship, whatever you are in, is going to grow. It is going to be a beautiful relation this week. You're going to meet new people. You're going to meet new friends where you will connect, and it's going to be a joyful week for you, for your relationship is concerned. Where your career is concerned, I do see that there is a feeling of something like, this week it is like you are going to feel that this is not the career for you. This is the career where you have been tied up, or something like, you want to get out of it. So that kind of strong feeling is going to affect you. Where your career is concerned this week, you are going to be frustrated. You are going to be, you want to set yourself free where your current career or work is concerned. So that kind of cards I see for career. Relationship, definitely new relationship building up. People, you are going to meet your family. So the relationship wise, you're going to be happy, you're going to be joyful. It's going to be a good week for you where your relationship are concerned. Finance, I don't see a growth or any kind of loss happening this week where your finance is concerned. So it's a normal case where your finance is concerned. Health, it is a joyous week. You're going to meet friends, you're going to meet family, you're going to enjoy yourself. So this is a very, very happy week for you. So I don't see any health problems coming your way. Maybe you might be tired by partying or enjoying with your friends and everything, but that's it. I don't see any kind of negative health issues coming your way this week. Now 3 cards for Libra. Let's go ahead and do 3 cards for Libra. If I see 3 cards for Librans, I see you are going to be affected by a little bit of negativity this week. Be very, very careful about the negative people who are not your well-wishers. Also, there are chances that there are a lot of thoughts going in your mind, and there are a lot of, you are thinking too much, so that you won't have a sound sleep this week. So if where I see your health is concerned this week, where you will be taking a lot of burden, where your work is concerned, or where your sleep is concerned, there are chances because of the burden that you are taking from your work might not help you to get proper sleep. So that's where your health is going to get affected. Somewhere maybe a headache, or maybe a migraine, or some kind of issues related to stress might come to you this week. But definitely where your finance is concerned, it is a normal week. I don't see any negativity where your finance is concerned. Yes, but you have to be very, very careful about negative people or about negativity coming to you this week. You need to stay protected. You need to stay protected from the people who are not your well-wishers. So if I tell you finance is going to be normal, but career, yes, career is good, but you are going to take a lot of burden and a lot of stress that might affect your health. Somewhere you might not get proper sleep this week somewhere, and be very careful about negative people. Where your relationship are concerned, it is normal. There is no problem where your relationship are, yes, but definitely I will again tell you, be very careful about the people who are not your well-wishers. Stay protected this week, Librans. Now we will go ahead and do 3 cards for Scorpio. Three cards for Scorpio. People born in the sign Scorpio, a very good week for you, but where your health is concerned, I'll start with health first, because I see a problem with your health, especially your legs. There are chances you might hurt your leg, you might have a lot of pain in your leg, so just be very careful about the leg pain, or you might fall down and break your leg, you can say. So just be very careful about those. Finance, I do see a normal week for where your finance is concerned, and where your career is concerned, a growth definitely is seen. So there might be some news you might be getting this week where your career is concerned. Definitely, if you see, you also have got a magician card, so this week is going to work as a magic for you, because where your relationship are concerned, where your work is concerned, where your finance is concerned, whatever you take, new things in your hands are going to work very well and positive for you. So definitely, if you say finance, you might see an increase in your finance because the magician card has come, and you might see it is something like, if I tell you what I'm trying to tell you is, whatever work you take, so it is from your side, you need to go ahead and take a step forward to do something. Whatever you do, it is going to be a positive result for you. So if I say finance, career, health, anything that you work towards it this week is going to give you a total positive result for people born under the sign Scorpio. Now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for Sagittarius. Let's do 3 cards for Sagittarius. People born in the sign of Sagittarius, if I see your finance, definitely a growth in your finance, but a guidance card is given to me saying that this is the week where you need to donate something or feed the poor for your finance growth to happen. So please go ahead and do feed a poor or donate something to the poor people, so that will show you an increase in your finance. Also, there is travel that I see. Maybe you will be doing to meet your family, meet your near and dear ones, or you might go on a trip with your friends. So that is something that is coming to you this week. Also, where your career is concerned, career is superb, career is going on fine with you. I don't see any problem coming this week where your career is concerned. Where your health is concerned, definitely nothing coming your way. You are going to be very happy this week because your financial growth is going to happen. So, but like the card has guided me, please go ahead and feed some poor people, or give them something, donate something, so that will definitely show you an increase in finance. Otherwise, the career looks fine, health looks fine, relationship looks normal, or you are going to go ahead and meet new people or travel to meet them, and it is going to be a playful and a joyful week for you. Sagittarius done. Now we are going to go ahead and do Capricorn. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Capricorn. For the people born on the sign of Capricorn, where your career, your friends, or your co-workers are concerned, you have to be very careful of the people who are not your well-wishers. You can say they are very good on the face, they might talk to you very sweetly, they might sweet. They might be sweet talkers, but then behind your back they might be planning something or doing something that is against you, or you can say backstabbing you some way. So you just have to be very, very careful where your co-workers or your work is concerned this week. Your relationship is concerned, you are a satisfied person. There is, like, you from within feel that you have enough friends, you have enough people around you, and you are very satisfied. So really, if I tell you, this week is a week where you don't want to make new friends. You are happy with whatever you have, your relationship, your friendship, whatever you say. It looks fine because you yourself are very satisfied with whatever you have. So there won't be any problems where your relationship is concerned. You also need to donate something to the poor people and feed the needy people. So somewhere you will see a financial growth happening. So finance look fine this week. There will be a growth shown, but if there this small thing of feeding people and donating something to the poor people might help you to increase your finance. So career, be very careful about the people around you who are your well-wishers or who are not your well-wishers. You need to be very, very careful about them. Finance will show a little growth. Relationship, you're quite satisfied with the relationship that you have. So you don't need any new people in your life. So you seem to be very happy with what you have. And where your health is concerned, I don't see any problems. But yes, not a major problem, but there might be a slight back pain or a backache kind of issue coming to you. Not a major issue, but a pain here and there might be there this week for you. So now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign Aquarius. People born in the sign of Aquarius, so this week is going to be a very strong and positive week for you people. There is some kind of wait that you have been waiting for, maybe a result to come, or maybe some kind of application that you have filled out, or some kind of contract that you have filled out, or where your work is related, some kind of project issues that is still showing a wait. So whatever you are waiting is still showing a wait this week. So there is a week where your career is concerned. There will be where your relationship is concerned, you are going to go ahead and meet your elders, you are going to meet family, and there is going to be a joy and fun moment for you guys born under the sign Aquarius. There is maybe a person coming to you, or a guidance coming to you from some kind of elderly, some kind of advice or some kind of support that you will be getting this week from an elderly person, maybe your uncle, your grandfather, or maybe someone who is a little older in age. This week is a very strong week for you, because you are going to be surrounded by a lot of strong people, a lot of positive people whom you support you will be having. So where your health is concerned, I don't see any issues coming. Career, whatever you have been waiting for is still showing a wait. So career is going to be normal, but whatever you have expecting to come where your career is concerned this week will not be possible this week. Where your relationship is concerned, definitely you are going to be meeting new people and surrounded by strong and very positive people. So that is going to be some kind of knowledge coming from them, or some kind of support coming from them, or some kind of you can say a forward movement that will make you feel very positive to move forward, to take up new project, maybe take up new work. So that kind of people you are going to be surrounded by this week. Health issues, I don't see any health issues coming your way, so you don't have to worry about those. So finance looks fine. Okay, definitely relationship, growth in a relationship, supporting, there will be a lot of supportive people you will be coming in contact with this week. Where your health is concerned, I don't see any problems where your health is concerned. And now the last sign, that is Pisces. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Pisces. People born under the sign of Pisces, I have good cards for you. Of course, you also have got Magician, so this week is going to work magic for you. In other words, if I tell you whatever projects you have taken, or whatever work you'll be taking in this week in your hand, is going to be giving you a positive results. But it is up to you to start a new work, or maybe start new projects or make new friends, and it is going to give you a positive result. So whatever you intend to do this week, you will be very positive doing those things. So where your relationship are concerned, definitely a magic is going to work. You are going to have a good relationship, you are going to attract good relationship this week, and it is going to be superb for you guys. Okay, one more thing that I need to tell the Pisces people is, somewhere where your law is concerned, justice is concerned, or any kind of contracts are concerned, you have to be little bit careful this week signing a contract, or if there is or there is a problem where there might be a lawsuit coming your way, so just be very careful this week where this kind of judicial system problems are concerned, or maybe some kind of paperwork contract things are concerned. Just be very careful this week. This is just a guidance given to you to be careful. Otherwise, if I see your finance this week, it looks fine, your relationship looks fine, and your career looks fine. You just have to be careful, like I told you, about the little thing of law is concerned, or your contracts are concerned. That's the only thing that you need to take care of. Otherwise, your week is going to be positive. You are going to have fun, you are going to have new relationship. There are chances, if you decide to start something new, it is going to happen very positively for you guys. So that's it for this week. That was for 18th of October till the 24th of October. And like I always tell you, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am on Insta as well as on Facebook. So I am done with the reading. We are done with the reading. I'll be coming next week again with that week's reading. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy, stay positive, and love you all.